as per the orders of Election Commission of India, the SIR process is going on in Karnataka. The house to house enumeration program was conducted from 30th June to 17th August, and on today is 24th August, we are publishing the Draft Electoral Roll. On this occasion, I would like to sincerely convey my gratitude to all the voters of Karnataka and all the office bearers of respected political parties and all the friends from print, electronic and social media and all the civil society groups who have participated in the exercise, and all the officers from the level of BLO up to the level of DEO and who participated in the sweep activity for completing this exercise in the scheduled period as per the direction of Election Commission of India. As on today's electoral roll, the number of voters available in the electoral roll are 4 crore 46 lakhs 35,975. Out of these numbers, 2 crore 21 lakh 59,240 are male, 2 crore 24 lakh 73,864 are female, and 2,871 belongs to others. It total amounts to 4 crore 46 lakh 35,975. Young electors between 18 to 19 years of age are around 3 lakh 70,000. PWD electors, persons with disability, are around 5 lakh 55,000. Electors above 85 years of age are around 3 lakh 92,000, and service electors are around 44,176, and NRI electors are 951. So if we include service elector and general elector, the total amount comes to 4 crore 46 lakh 80,151. And out of these electors, 55.32% of them have mapped themselves as progeny, which amounts to 2 crore 46 lakhs 92,000, and around 1 crore 75 lakh voters have mapped as self, and 23 lakh 45,000 voters have not given their mapping details. And we have identified around 1,873 additional polling stations after the rationalization process. Now the number of polling stations will be in Karnataka after this draft roll is around 60,923. Previously the number was 59,050. And during this period we will be issuing notices to around 43 lakh 80,000 voters who are belonging to no mapping and anomalies category. And the process of notice has been already explained. The EROs and AEROs will serve the notice to the voter, and they will examine the documents given by the voters, and they will take a final decision as per law. And in the process of serving notices, we have identified around 3,926 additional AEROs for the purpose of helping the voters to complete the notice process as soon as possible. And the officers are duly advised to go up till the polling station level up till the Gram Panchayat level to enquire the notices. Thank you.